Look at the video.
You should be out here trying to do it. It's all very well sitting there and laughing. It's not easy.
It's not. It's the important thing, Jane, is that to think about folding here at the hips. So before you do anything about going down, I'm moving backwards.
Oh, I see.
All right. So if you stand up tall, before you do anything, you're folding at the hips. Yeah, good. Now start to lower yourself.
Okay.
That's better.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah.
So I'm not going up or down. I'm just moving the bottom backwards
Yeah.
and then going back.
It's not very elegant, is it?
You're doing good.
Let's not worry about that.
No. There's nobody else around. This is the basic.
But there will be.
This.
Yeah.
Well, I'll be able to see what I can't do.
So
Keep on
fold at
going.
the hips, moving backwards, and then just lowering down. And you can feel it on the outside of your legs as well. Good. Better. Excellent.
Oh.
So with a bit
No, try sitting down.
you can start doing that. So that's why I put the chair there.
Right.
So you're not worried. But you can also practice
Yeah,
by the settee as well. So that
feel happier if I
it's